With inflation still raging and a possible recession on the horizon, millions of people are looking for ways to make money fast and pad their income. So let's dive into 14 legit ways to make money fast. Number 1. Become a rideshare driver. If you have your own car and it meets certain qualifications, you could join the ranks of rideshare drivers and make money for giving customers rides around town. It only takes a few days to get approved to drive in most cases, and both Uber and Lyft pay every week, though getting paid even faster for a small fee is possible. According to the rideshare guy, most Uber drivers will make around $15 to $20 per hour. Number 2. Make deliveries. If you want to earn money driving but aren't interested in making awkward car conversations, you can make deliveries instead. Apps such as DoorDash, Uber Eats, Grubhub, and Instacart focus on delivering fast food, groceries, and other items with a similar sign-up and payment process as ride-sharing. Workers earn an average of $25 to $35 per hour and are guaranteed at least $16 per hour. You can get paid weekly or daily. Number 3. Help others with simple, everyday tasks. For handymen and women, offering your services to people who need tasks done around the house is another way to make money fast. You can rely on platforms like TaskRabbit, which connects taskers with customers who need help putting together furniture and electronics. A small registration fee may be required to get started, and most people are approved to start tasking within 4 business days. Number 4. House and pet sitting. It can be a good way to make money fast, especially if you enjoy spending time with animals and have a flexible schedule. You can rely on referrals, though it may take time to build up a network. To speed up the process, you can sign up on apps such as Rover, which allows you to set your rates and select the type of pet care services you offer, and then connect with customers and get paid through the platform. Payments show up in your account 2 days after completing a service. Additional tips are available after 24 hours. Number 5. Sell clothes and accessories online. Multiple online consignment stores allow you to sell clothes, shoes, handbags, and more. Poshmark, for instance, lets you set up an online closet where you showcase items for sale. Brand names and well-designed posts featuring high-quality pictures, detailed descriptions, and competitive prices will likely sell faster. Once a sold item reaches its destination, funds are released to your account within 3 days. Similar services include Mercari, 3Dup, Depop, and The RealReal. But you don't have to stick with consignment stores. Services such as Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist also allow you to sell your belongings without a middleman. Number 6. Sell unused gift cards. Card Cash is an online marketplace where you can sell your gift cards for partial value. Card Cash will pay you upfront for your gift cards up to 92% of their value and resell them. Number 7. Paid surveys. You can make a few bucks an hour by filling out surveys, quizzes, watching videos, and more through sites such as Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Google Opinion Rewards. Survey Junkie, for instance, lets you earn virtual points for answering surveys about products or participating in focus groups. Those points can then be redeemed for cash. The company notes that you won't get rich or replace your full-time job, but it is an opportunity to share your opinions for a little extra cash. You can earn as much as $40 per month by completing 3 surveys daily. Number 8. Trade electronics. To make money fast, consider selling your old phone or laptop no longer in use to a buyback service such as Declutter, Gazelle, or Trade More, where you can trade in old phones, laptops, tablets, smartwatches, and more. The amount you get paid depends on the exact model of the item and its condition. TradeMore pays out within 5 business days of receiving and confirming the item via PayPal. Number 9. Host a yard sale. It is a great way to declutter your home and make money same day in cash by selling unwanted belongings to neighbors. Sites such as yardsalesearch.com, garagesalefinder.com, and eBay classifieds can help you get the word out. To ensure a successful sale, put items out in an organized fashion. Start early, around 6 a.m., to catch the crowd of parents dropping their kids off at school. And don't put a price on anything. You'll save yourself some headache by letting customers come to you with their best offers. Number 10. Rent a parking space. If you live near an amusement park or stadium, or there's a major event happening near your home, you can make quick money by renting out your parking space for the day. If you aren't sure how to find a tenant, consider a service such as CurbFlip or Spothero, which lets you rent out your driveway, parking space, or garage. These sites take a fee, but also vet drivers, allowing you to manage payments within the platform. Just be sure that you aren't violating any lease or homeowners association agreement terms if you list your parking spot. Number 11. Rent out your car or RV. Affordable car sharing services are gaining popularity. If you don't mind strangers driving your vehicle, you can rent it when you're not using it. Turo, for example, allows you to rent your car and even calculates how much you could earn based on your vehicle. After your first completed trip, payment is made within 3 business days. Subsequent trips pay out 3 hours after the trip ends. Recreational vehicles are gaining popularity. Outdoorsy is a service that lets you rent your RV to travelers. Payments are automatically deposited into your bank account 48 hours after a guest begins their trip. Number 12. Website and app tester. As long as you have a device with a working microphone and a PayPal account, you can make money for visiting websites, apps, or digital products, completing a set of tasks, and sharing your thoughts. One site that facilitates paid user testing is usertesting.com. After completing a 15 to 20-minute practice test, you'll find out if you're accepted in a few days. The amount you can earn depends on the test type, but you'll always see the pay range in your dashboard. Payments are sent to your PayPal account after 7 days. Sometimes customers may send you a bonus for completing longer or more complex projects. Number 13. Do laundry. You can make money by doing laundry for others. Not everyone has a washer and dryer in their home, nor the time to do laundry. Laundry Care is an example of an app-based wash and fold service that lets you do laundry from home, pick up, and drop off orders for customers. The typical order is 2 bags, averaging £15 each. You get paid $20 per bag, plus a service fee of $3. You can also perform other services such as ironing, which is an additional per-item payment. Customers can also tip you, and you keep 100% of that amount. Payments can be cashed out at any time and deposited into your bank account in 1 to 3 business days. Number 14. Put ads on your car. Another way to make money with your car is by allowing companies like Rapify, which pays around $180 to $452 monthly, depending on the coverage level, put their ads on it. Carvertise pays $450 to $1,500 per campaign. And Nicolatix pay most of its drivers between $175 and $250 per month, though some campaigns may pay up to $500 monthly. These are the 14 legit ways to make money fast that don't require much time, investment, or equipment. It's up to you how much time you want to dedicate to earning a side income, whether a few mins a week or couple of hours weekly. If you found this video helpful, kindly give us a like. Don't forget to also subscribe. And switch on the notification bell to receive alert when we drop new content. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.